If I can't get to the goal, I should just quit now. Because I won't be able to beat that later.
If you can't get to the goal now, you're never gonna get to the goal any other time.
Yeah. I didn't even notice the weird fan.
Yeah. I love using that fan offensively. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
I thought it was way earlier in the level. Oh. No! I just realized.
What is this?
I'm coming after you. I'm gonna get ya! I got stuck in the sand.
Got some suckage there.
Don't say that. I was not looking.
What even happened there?
I don't know.
No!
Aww. They're fucking me! What is their problem? Oh, it'd be so good if you missed time.
No, it's so hard! Ow! Ow.
A lot happened there.
Cabbage.
I thought it was gonna stop.
Wait, the coin does move!
Oh, that's awesome.
Every time I die, I like fully take in what this level is, and it's like...
This is only half of the game. There's still an entire, like, end
This flower
section.
is really funny, because if you die, it punches you back and forth. But I'm gonna be the bigger man. Please! Oh, you're being, like, roasted. Your corpse is just being cooked.
Mmm, chameleon.
Fried lizard. I'm the ultimate red panda.
Congrats.
That was horrible. Hey, you got the monkey's robot out there. No! Oh.
It's like what happens in movie sequels. It's like you thought he fell to his death, but he actually survived.
Yeah. Crazy cliffhanger.
And Dodge 1 will return.
Waterfall.
Oh, I got it too close! Oh, he didn't see the sneak attack coming.
I don't even think you killed me. I think it was a ball.
Oh
my god! What is this garbage? You made it.
Counter-Strike Nexion.
What is happening to me?
That? My corpse killed you. Oh wait, no it didn't. It was an arrow that flew into the puncher that punched you and killed you. You didn't even die to anything really special. You just died to something.
I died to a spike, man. I'm free. But what does it mean to be free?
I knew that was gonna happen. He went down there. And I knew you were gonna die. What does it mean to be free? That's a powerful quote.
Oh.
Just casually pulled off the most insane gaming of my life. Mine. Hello?
I guess it's not yours. Oh. It's huge?
Thanks, game, for giving me a level we already have.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, indeed.
Dude, we're so good at this game.
Where's the other portal? My money!
Oh!
What happened to me? I'm just dead!
Because
Okay.
he's taking it for someone else. Okay.
Oh, you're alive?
I think.
Exerting pro gamer skills. You don't understand.
Yeah.
You mean 1 out of 4?
Ugh, this is ridiculous. Okay, so
You're
I'm
retarded.
a menace to infrastructure and society. No!
That's what you. That is so
I can
deserved.
name
It's crazy how deserved that
instances
is.
of- I can
The
Destroy.
same plane of existence, and you're still causing issues.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Dude, that squirrel went to the sun. And then there
What are the
was-
What is that
consequences?
from? Whoa.
That's forbidden. This is not allowed.
What is this?
Not allowed. This is cheating. We were cheating. We were cheating.
We
We're
just
gonna
put a
get. We're
coin
gonna
in,
get banned.
in the staircase.
Days.
Oh man, that was like it punched me straight in the jaw like that.
Mortal
Okay, Brown
Kombat
Bear.
brutality zoom in.
That's
God.
No.
The dog get destroyed, child. Oh.
I'm not a child. I'm older than you.